Welcome to this week's edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. MSD's Gardasil 9 vaccine has been approved for males aged 16 to 26 in China. This marks the first time a 9-valent HPV vaccine is authorized for use across both genders in the country. Gardasil 9 protects against anal cancer, genital warts, and precancerous lesions. Globally, over 300 million doses of the vaccine have already been administered, underscoring its widespread acceptance and potential impact. A new study from the Shield Utah project shows that Novavax's protein-based COVID-19 vaccine is associated with fewer side effects than mRNA vaccines. Specifically, the incidence of grade 2 or higher symptoms was 24.2% with Novavax compared to 43.8% for mRNA vaccines. Participants also reported less disruption to their daily routines and work life. These findings were presented at the ESCMID 2025 Congress and highlight a potentially better tolerated option for COVID-19 prevention. The Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices has recommended Bavarian Nordic's VIMKUNY vaccine for individuals aged 12 and older who are traveling to regions affected by Chikungunya or working in laboratories handling the virus. Both the US FDA and the European Union granted approval for VIMKUNY in February 2025. With Chikungunya now reported in over 110 countries and often misdiagnosed as dengue, this single-dose recombinant vaccine represents an important tool against a growing global threat. Pfizer's Abrysvo vaccine for respiratory syncytial virus has received an expanded recommendation. It is now advised for high-risk adults between 50 and 59 years old, in addition to older adults and pregnant women. The move follows data showing that RSV causes up to 20,000 hospitalizations annually in this newly included age group. The CDC is currently reviewing updated ACIP guidelines to formalize the recommendation. GSK's PenMenV vaccine has been recommended by ACIP for adolescents aged 10 and older. PenMenV combines protection against meningococcal groups ACWY and B into a single 5-in-1 injection. This combination is expected to streamline vaccination and potentially improve uptake among teens. The FDA approved the MenABCWY formulation in February 2025, and this new recommendation reflects its growing clinical and logistical advantages. A new international collaboration between the United Kingdom and Singapore is aiming to fast-track the development of a universal bird flu vaccine. Diosynvax and ACM Biolabs are co-developing a thermostable H5NX mRNA vaccine, with a nasal spray delivery system currently in development. Supported by Innovate UK and Enterprise Singapore, the vaccine is designed to provide broad protection against all circulating clades of the H5 avian influenza virus. This effort could be instrumental in preempting future influenza pandemics. Stay ahead in vaccine research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.